Hey guys, my name is Lashanae. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be on a review slash unboxing slash install of a wig that I got off of Amazon. It's from a company called Ivy Cocoa Hair. And when I tell you that this wig is beautiful, so beautiful, and it's affordable. So if you guys want to see how the wig look and how I install this wig, then keep watching. The packaging that the hair will come in, and it says Ivy Cocoa Hair, and then I do have the description of the hair right here. I don't know, my camera won't focus right now, but the description is just tell you that it's going to be a 5x5 glueless wig. The length is going to be 28 inches, and it's going to be straight, and then the color is black. I paid $109 for the wig at the time. Well, I didn't pay $109 for the wig. The wig was going for $109, but at the time they had a coupon for $30, so I was able to snag the wig for $86. Like, that is a steal. But let me show you the wig. When you open the package, get open. So this is what it comes in. Just imagine that the wig is in here. So it comes with the wig and this plastic right here, and then they give you a wig cap. They give you some eyelashes, and then they also give you like a little gift card telling you how you can win $50 towards another wig. So this is how the wig looks right here. This is a 28-inch, and this is a straight wig, and the HD lace closure. So the closure is HD, and then it comes with the adjustable straps. And the good thing I like about this wig, y'all, it doesn't have combs. This wig that I have on my head right now have combs, because sometimes I wear my wigs without the cap, the wig cap. So I just like to plop it over my braids and go. And when I do that, the combs snug on my hair. So this wig, y'all, doesn't have combs at all. So that is a plus for me. It doesn't have combs. I could just put it on and take it off without have no worry about no combs snagging my hair. Like, this hair is like super duper 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 cute. This lace is too light for me, so what I'm going to do, I'm gonna take my foundation and I'm going to tint the lace on the wig. So I'm just going to take my foundation brush, and I'm just going to pump just one pump onto the brush, just like that. Normally I'll have my wig cap, my wig head in here with me, but I just wanted to do this video real quick for you guys. So I'm just going to take my foundation brush, and I'm just going to brush that over like that. And then I just flip it over just to make sure nothing seeped through. And then I'm just going to continue this process. And I'm going to take my blow dryer, and I'm going to blow dry it dry to make sure none get on my forehead and on my wig cap. This is how it should look now that we tint the lace with the foundation. So that's how it should look. So now we're just going to take this wig off that we have on our head. Boom. Take it off just like that. You know, just going to plop it over there. So that's how it looks right there. So I'm just going to adjust it just a little bit. So let me take my glasses off. So you still can see it a little bit, right? Like the lace right here, but I'm gonna go ahead and fix that a little bit. But on this side, it's down packed like really, really good. I don't know why this side is up like this, and then this side is just laid flat. I'm guessing that's just how they had it in the box. That's my guess. I'm going to take this wax stick right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take that and just put just a little bit. Not too much, but just enough. And then I'm going to part this side because I really want this side to lay down. And I'm just going to add some right here. I'm just going to fix this part right here. Well, that's how the hair looks that I add the wax stick and I use my pressing comb. It's just a plug-in pressing comb that I got from Amazon. So now what I'm going to do, like, I really don't have to do too much to this wig. Like, I really don't. Like, if I want to wear it just like this, I can. If I want to add baby hairs, I can. But it's like already silky straight right out the box. Only thing I have to do was tint the lace and add my wax stick and use my pressing comb just to fix this part that was sticking up. But that was just like a quick fix. Like, this wig is good right out the box. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to flat iron it real quick, and I do want to add some baby hairs to it. So I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I already flat ironed this side of the wig, so this is how it looks. I want to show you guys how it looks from over here. So this is this side already flat iron. So I'm going to flat iron this side with you guys so you guys can see how straight the hair looks. So this side is how it looks before it's flat iron. So we're going to do this side together, y'all. I was gonna add baby hairs, but I think it look good just like this. What y'all think? I think it look good. So I went off and I did my baby hairs. So this is how my hair looks now that I did my baby hairs, and I flattened the part out a little bit more, and I flattened the back out a little bit more. Now this is my juice. Like, this is my go-to hairstyle. When I had it the first way in the last part of the video was just swoop down. That was cute, but this is my go-to hairstyle. So I just wanted to come to show you guys how it looked once I did my baby hairs and I got this part flattened. So what I used to flatten this part was my wax stick, and then I also used my this is the melting spray. This is the Extreme Firm and Hold Supreme one in the black and gold bottle. And I also use my Lotta Body Wrap Me Foam. So I also use that to lay my hair down. And then for my baby hairs, I use my Gorilla Snot. So yeah, I really do like this wig. I really do recommend this wig. This is by the company Ivy Coco. This is the 28-inch 5x5 HD lace closure wig. It runs for $109, but when I got the wig, I only paid $86 because it had a $30 coupon. So I paid $86 for this wig, and I really do recommend this wig. Like, this wig is cute. Like, it's really, really cute. But I hope you guys really did enjoy this review kind of install video of this wig. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you guys really enjoyed this video. Comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. And the next time I see you guys, it will be 2024. So I just want to say Happy New Year's, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.